With all your love and support, Unfold Data Science turns 1 today. So a big thank you to all of you for each one of your likes, each one of your comment, feedbacks, motivations that you have given me. A big thank you to all of you. Now to start the video, let me introduce myself again. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. I do not have any script in my mind for this video. Let's talk something which comes to my mind. Okay, so what was the motivation of starting this channel? The first thing is there has to be a motivation, there has to be a thought before you start a YouTube channel or start sharing knowledge. So let me ask you a question. What is growth according to you? Take a moment, think through. What is growth according to you? You can think through and write me in comment, but for me, growth is something that takes care of not only me as an individual, but people around me, and it has to be a combined growth. That is how if Aman grows, then people around Aman should also grow so that we as a society grow, right? That is what my definition of growth. Let me give you a simple example from my life. One of my friend went to Norway, okay, in the winter season. All of us know that Norway is a cold place. Winters it's like too cold. When that friend came back, then he shared with me what is the weather in the month of December, November in Norway, and he told me all his learnings, all his mistakes that he did, like he did not carry warm clothes, he did not carry some of the creams needed for the screen, all those things, right? So what is important here is whatever somebody learns, this should be shared with people around them so that as a society, the learning passes exponentially from here to there. That was the motivation of starting Unfold Data Science. So I started writing some of the blogs actually in the beginning. If you see my blog on Medium, you can see some of the blogs over there. But what I realized is people are more interested in watching visual content. So including me, if I have an option of reading a blog and watching a video, I'll prefer watching a video. So I just thought let me create some videos on YouTube. That is where it started 1 year back. Now when you go and do anything new, right, lot of things you will not know how to do. Same with me. I did not know how to hold the mic, where to put the camera, how to explain whether it should be a whiteboard, it should be a digital pen, it should be a PPT, or how it should be. Those are the things that will be the initial challenges in all the works, right, including YouTube. But here there will be more challenges. If you are planning to start a YouTube channel, I am just sharing my knowledge through this. Initially you will not get any views and that might be very demotivating for you, okay? But one thing to understand here is the niche in which you are working, right? So my niche is data science. Data science is something related to technology. In technology also it is a very specific area. So the audience itself is very limited, and that is where you will get very less views. What I mean to say here is if the intention is getting financial benefits immediately, then you might not be able to carry this for a longer period of time. So your intention should be sharing the knowledge. Now these are some of the initial challenges that I faced. Maybe if you start a channel, you will also face similar kind of challenges. But what keeps me going or what keeps me motivated? Other day, somebody wrote me in a comment saying, Aman, I watched your market basket analysis video. I went to an interview and interviewer asked me the same question. I was able to answer. Thank you. This is something which gives me immense satisfaction. So somebody, I'm in Bangalore, India, somebody sitting in Hyderabad or Pune or let's say London, if that person is able to talk in the interview based on my sharing of knowledge, that is something which cannot be compared with anything else. That is one thing that keeps me going. What is the next thing? So there was always this thing of doing something in addition to the mainstream, right? So what is mainstream? Mainstream is I work for a company, I work for a couple of years, 3 years, 4 years, change my job, get a higher salary, then again change, get higher salary. That is what mainstream is, right? There is always a opportunity of doing something in addition to mainstream or completely different from mainstream. So what I'm trying to do is doing something in addition to mainstream, right? And that is where you will see many opportunities opening. The third important thing what keeps me on track and motivated is, let's say, imagine tomorrow my video frequency increases, let's say, for example, or let's say I get very busy in some work, and then I'm not able to give time to the YouTube. In that case, what might happen is I might need someone who can help me with at least video editing part. Maybe I can shoot and give to the person can give me the edited video back. If that happens, I'm talking about taking help from one person and paying to that person. If that happens, then what I'm doing here is I'm generating employment. If there are like 2, 3, 4, 5 people working with me as a team, then I'm generating employment. And when you do so, you become an entrepreneur and you help in economic growth, you help in nation growth, you help in society growth. That is the most important thing that keeps me on track going. And with all your love and support, I'm confident that I'll be able to contribute to society in some or other way. Okay, now if you plan to start a YouTube channel, there will be many things that will come as a hindrance. There will be many things which you will not like about. You will create some video with so much of effort and video is not being watched by many people. You will put lot of effort on some editing, some things, and those things might not go well over the YouTube. Those kind of things will always be there. If you plan to create some educational content and share it with the world, then only one thing you should keep in mind is the quality of your content, or how you are able to make the person understand your concept is the key of your growth. When I say growth, you cannot compare the growth with growth on some comedy videos or some entertainment videos, not like that. If I talk of data science as a niche area, you will agree that there are very limited audience for this, right? And you will not get many views. So money should not be your top priority or top motivation for creating data science videos or any educational videos. But if you create good content, if you create good material, then obviously people will start watching your videos and they'll start asking you more, loving you more, and in that way you grow, the subscribers grow, and we as a society as a whole, we grow. So you just have to focus on your content, and you just have to understand that if we are in a habit of sharing the things we have, then we can make the world a better place. I hope I was able to give you some message from this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Write me in comment what is your idea of growth, what is your motivation for life. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.